Welcome to today's cryptocurrency news. Cryptocurrency prices today.
The price of Bitcoin, BTC, to USDT has increased by 2.22% to 73,038.63 from yesterday, while the price of Ethereum, ETH, to USDT has increased by 0.57% to 4,002.47 from yesterday, and the price of Binance Coin, BNB, to USDT has increased by 15.93% to 623.1 from yesterday.
Latest news.
BNB surpasses 600 USDT with a 12.11% increase in 24 hours. Binance blockchain, BNB, has broken the 600 USDT benchmark with a 12.11% increase in 24 hours. The US Bitcoin spot ETF experienced a net inflow of $92.3 million on February 29. Bitcoin rally may lose momentum. Analysts warn of potential 20% Satoshi pullback. Swiss block analysts predict Bitcoin could drop as much as 20% Satoshi from current prices in the near term. CoinDesk reports that Bitcoin's rally is showing signs of waning momentum, as indicated by a negative divergence between its price and the RSI momentum indicator. Swiss block analysts predict a pullback within the next few days, but in the bigger picture, lower prices will be a temporary setback before the uptrend resumes to new highs. Crypto investment services firm MicroStrategy also forecast a period of consolidation, with rising meme coin prices could also signal an impending pullback. Bitcoin recently traded slightly above $73,000, up by 2.6% over the past 24 hours, while the broad market CoinDesk 20 index, CD20, advanced by 4% during the same period. Ethereum, F, surpasses 4,000 USDT with a 1.47% increase in 24 hours. Ethereum crosses 4,000 USDT benchmark with 1.47% increase in 24 hours. On March 13, 2024, 21:39 p.m. UTC, Binance Market Data reported that Ethereum has increased by 1.47% to trade at 4,000.080078 USDT, following a 4.62% full-on increase in the last 24 hours. MicroStrategy proposes $500 million convertible senior notes offering to buy more Bitcoin. MicroStrategy announces $500 million offering of convertible senior notes due in 2031. Blockworks reports that MicroStrategy has proposed a $500 million offering of convertible senior notes due in 2031, with the intention of using the funds to acquire more Bitcoin and for general corporate purposes. The company also expects to grant initial purchasers of the notes an option to buy up to an additional $75 million aggregate principal amount of the notes within a 13-day period starting from the date the notes are first issued. The sale will be offered exclusively to institutional investors. This announcement comes shortly after MicroStrategy proposed an initial offering of $600 million worth of convertible notes, which was later upsized to $700 million. The previous convertible note offering closed on March 8. On Monday, the company announced the closure of an $800 million offering of 0.625% Lingguan 62 senior convertible notes due in 2030. Earlier this week, MicroStrategy revealed that it had purchased 12,000 more Bitcoin for $821 million between February 26 and March 10. The company currently holds approximately 205,000 Bitcoin. MicroStrategy stock was slightly down in after-hours trading on Wednesday, hovering around $1,735 a share. Over the past year, the stock has increased by 676%, and in the past 5 days alone, it has soared by 41%. The company is expected to use the proceeds from the offering to support its ongoing efforts to expand its digital currency offerings and to further grow its business. About MicroStrategy. MicroStrategy is a leading provider of technology solutions for businesses worldwide. The company's products and services include business intelligence, data analytics, and digital currencies. Contact. For more information, please contact your name, your company, your contact information. MicroStrategy files to raise $500 million for additional Bitcoin purchase. MicroStrategy files for $500 million convertible debt offering to acquire more Bitcoin. Company recently closed on $800 million convertible debt raise, used funds to acquire 12,000 Bitcoin for $821.7 million. Following acquisition, MicroStrategy's Bitcoin holdings stand at 205,000, now worth just under $15 billion. Assuming Bitcoin remains around its current $73,000 level, company will be able to purchase approximately 6,800 additional tokens with proceeds from latest offering. MicroStrategy has rebranded itself as a Bitcoin development company and has been actively increasing its Bitcoin holdings in recent months. Solana's meme coin Dogwifhat Mascot to appear on Las Vegas Sphere. The Solana, Sol, blockchain's meme coin Dogwifhat, WIF, is set to appear on the Sphere, Las Vegas orb-shaped entertainment venue, after community members raised over $690,000 in USDC stablecoin donations. WF has become one of the most popular memes in the current crypto market cycle since its launch late last year. The token has benefited from the attention of the fundraising campaign, with WF gaining 35% 30% over the past 24 hours, according to CoinMarketCap data. WF has also surpassed Floki, as the fourth largest meme token by market capitalization, reaching a $2.6 billion market value months after its launch, as per Mascot data. Meme coins comprise a small but growing part of the overall digital asset market and are considered one of the most risky assets among the already volatile cryptocurrencies. Recently, meme coin prices have skyrocketed as the crypto market heated up with Bitcoin, BTC, reaching new all-time highs. Historically, meme coin rallies have often signaled increased frothiness in the market, foreshadowing a correction. The Solana, Sol, blockchain's WF is expected to continue its growth as it becomes a popular choice among investors looking for a risky and potentially profitable investment in the crypto market. For more information, please visit 3w.soulchain.com, http://3w.soulchain.com. info@soulchain.com, mailto, info@soulchain.com. joseph.lincoln@soulchain.com, mailto, joseph.lincoln@soulchain.com. Craig Wright's legal team denies fraud allegations in Satoshi Nakamoto trial. Craig Wright's legal team denied Crypto Open Patent Alliance's COPA arguments in its closing argument on Wednesday. COPA took Wright to court last month to try and prove he is not Satoshi Nakamoto, the creator of Bitcoin. COPA's attorney, Anthony Grabiner, rebutted COPA's fraud allegations against Wright in a trial set to determine whether or not Wright is Satoshi. Grabiner hit back at COPA's argument that private signing sessions Wright hosted to prove he was the Bitcoin founder had been subverted, saying that no proof had been presented. COPA's witness Patrick Madden's evidence was inadmissible due to his ties with COPA. Grabiner later added that in Wright's defense, he had not said that his Reliance documents had never been edited. COPA's counsel said in his closing statements on Tuesday that the evidence shared during the trial shows beyond doubt that Wright isn't Satoshi. COPA's representatives also said they plan to ask UK prosecutors to consider if the computer scientist perjured himself during the trial. The results of the case could have repercussions on other existing trials against crypto exchanges and developers. Wright's counsel will continue giving their closing statement on Thursday. El Salvador eliminates income tax on international investments and money transfers. El Salvador removes income tax on foreign money entering the country, and reforms tax law for international investments and money transfers. President Nayib Bukele announced that Congress has reduced the rate of income tax from 30% 30 to 0% for international investments and money transfers. El Salvador was the first country to make Bitcoin legal tender and has been accumulating the cryptocurrency since September 2021. The Central American nation's treasury currently holds around $84 million in unrealized profit on its Bitcoin holdings. Billionaire investor Tim Draper recently praised El Salvador on the Web3 Deep Dive podcast, stating that the nation has become the most attractive country in the world to live in just because they embraced Bitcoin. Draper believes that within 30 or 40 years, El Salvador could transform from one of the poorest and most crime-ridden nations to one of the richest and most innovative countries in the world, thanks to its adoption of Bitcoin. The tax reform is part of El Salvador's efforts to position itself as an attractive destination for foreign investment and Bitcoin enthusiasts. The country has also introduced a law granting citizenship to Bitcoin investors who make a donation to the government. Layer 2 cryptocurrencies show mixed performance following Ethereum's Dencun upgrade. CoinDesk reports that the Ethereum blockchain's Dencun upgrade has led to mixed performance for Layer 2 cryptocurrencies. Polygon, Arbitrum, and Starknet saw gains, while Immutable X and Celo declined. The upgrade introduced a new way of storing data on the congested blockchain, which is expected to reduce transaction costs to a few cents and encourage activity and attract more applications. Polygon, Matic, and Arbitrum, ARB, added 8% to 10% before the upgrade, but have since retraced some of their advance. Metis' 2% gain outperformed the broader market CoinDesk 20 indexes, CD20, 1.5% advance. Starknet, STRK, shot up almost 10% after the upgrade, while Optimism, OP, rallying nearly 10%, but dropped more than its rivals ahead of the upgrade and was up less than 2% on the day. Gaming-focused L2 Immutable X, IMX, ended a short-lived advance to decline 6% ETH, while Celo, slid 7%, and Ether, F, was little changed. QCP Capital noted that Ether could see a correction as anticipation for the upgrade passes and the diminishing probability of a spot Ether ETF being approved in the US in the near future. BNB Smart Chain to launch BP336 upgrade with dynamic gas pricing mechanism. BNB Smart Chain, BSC, to introduce BEP336, incorporating Blob TX concept for dynamic gas pricing. BSC testnet to launch in April, followed by testing and optimization in May, mainnet deployment in June. Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin announces basic rollup scaling milestone achieved. Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin announced the achievement of the basic rollup scaling milestone during a Warcast event. The next steps in Ethereum scaling efforts could be the implementation of Virtual trees and history expiry. This milestone is a significant step towards improving Ethereum's capacity and performance. The basic rollup scaling allows for more transactions to be processed simultaneously, reducing congestion and lowering fees. The potential implementation of Virtual trees and history expiry would further enhance Ethereum's scalability and efficiency. These developments could significantly improve the overall performance of the Ethereum network and pave the way for more advanced features and applications. Dogwifhat community raises $672,347 for advertising at Las Vegas MSG Sphere. The MSG Sphere in Las Vegas, USA, has announced that the Dogwifhat Community Sphere Wifhat project has successfully raised $672,347, surpassing its initial goal of $650,000. The funds will be used for advertising at the new landmark building. MSG Sphere is a spherical venue located in the city's most expensive landmark building and is the world's largest spherical immersive experience center. Starknet introduces Blob on X platform, reducing gas fees to 1 cent. Starknet has announced the implementation of Blob on the X platform, resulting in a significant reduction in gas fees. This reduction has been seen in official screenshots and is expected to benefit users and the overall X platform.
Thank you for watching today.
Wishing you all an abundant supply of cryptocurrency. May your investments grow and thrive, and may you always be prepared to take on the challenges that come your way. Cheers to financial success and continued growth. #cryptocurrency #success